Ooh, these are fun. These are the elevators at Harrah's Reno in the East Tower. Hey there. Oh yeah, the one button on this one, broken. 2 on this side is even broken. Wow. What? Okay. These are fun. This one's a little bouncy. It's actually being quite bouncy right now. But it's still fun. Okay then, people. Don't know what you're doing. Don't really care. Hey there. These are fun. Mirrors everywhere. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go to 3. Oh, yeah. These have card readers, but they're not in use. So anybody who wants to come film them, have at it. Power stop. Send you down. Door's kind of slammed. Whew. That's interesting. Why is 2 locked off? I don't know what's on 2. Look at how tall these cabs are. Uh-oh. There's a light out on this floor, so it's really dark. You can definitely feel the age catching up to this place. Could definitely do with a remodel, but I hope they leave the elevators alone. You can see that these fixtures aren't in the best of shape though. ADA compliant foam. There it goes. And I guess that'll be it.